How much can one bad review hurt your business? The news is not good. 70% of customers use social media to post reviews about businesses. And companies often don't realize that these bad reviews can cost them money. Just one bad review can lose your business 10% of potential new customers. When you lose new customers, you lose their lifetime value, which can be between $3,750 to $15,000. The more bad reviews you have, the more money your business will lose. Luckily, there is a solution. There are two ways to fight bad reviews. First, your business should generate as many 5-star reviews as possible, so fewer people trust the bad review. You should also talk to the person who wrote the bad review and ask them to change the 1-star review to a 5-star. If the reviewer does not respond, call Rsquare Media. Rsquare Media is a reputation repair company that deletes bad press and bad reviews from Google, Facebook, and Amazon. Rsquare Media can also move your company's bad press to page 2 of Google and beyond. Finally, Rsquare Media can prevent future bad press from appearing on page 1 of Google. Success guaranteed or your money back. Visit rsquaremedia.com to schedule a free consultation. Misery is history.